brand new Lexus NX in for pin code immobiliser. Let's show you how it works. If we try and start the vehicle, foot on the brake, press the start button, nothing at all, will not go to ready. So ignition off, ignition back on. When we're ready, enter your unique code. So I'm going to enter the customer's demo code. Two beeps, as simple as that. Foot on the brake, hit the start button again, vehicle then goes to ready. So it says ready down in this corner and you're ready to drive. As soon as you switch it off, automatically rearms. There's a designated service button as well, so when it goes in for servicing, MOTs, brakes and such, you can totally switch it off. Interested in getting your vehicle secured? Give us a call, Tony at Car Security, 0333 012 9028.